Welcome back to USA Alert Zone, your reliable source for urgent immigration news and updates. A serious crackdown is now underway across the U.S. in June 2025. From visa denials to mass deportations, and even a potential new travel ban, immigrants across all categories, green card holders, visa applicants, and undocumented individuals, are being impacted. Let's break down exactly what's happening and how you can prepare. 3,000 deportations per day. It's already happening. ICE has been directed to carry out 3,000 deportations per day. And this isn't a future plan. It's active right now. Field operations are increasing nationwide. Detentions are rising in urban areas and transit hubs. Priorities now include anyone with a final removal order, not just those with criminal convictions. Speed and volume are the key goals under this aggressive enforcement shift. ICE is also short $1 billion in funding and has requested an additional $2 billion from Congress to expand detention space and support logistics. This signals how committed the agency is to ramping up removals fast. Travel troubles for green card holders. There's no official travel ban on green card holders, but border scrutiny is rising sharply. At reentry, CBP officers are reviewing long absences from the U.S. Pending applications like I-751 and N-400 are under closer inspection. Past charges, even dismissed ones, are raising red flags. Any sign of abandoning your U.S. residency could trigger secondary inspection or even an NTA, notice to appear in court. Many green card holders report being held at airports, questioned for hours, and in some cases, served legal notices. The message is clear. Travel now carries more risk than ever before. 36 countries could face visa bans. A leaked internal memo from the State Department reveals 36 countries, mostly in Africa and the Caribbean, are being reviewed for high visa overstay rates, weak ID systems, governments that delay deportee acceptance. If these nations don't comply within 60 days, the U.S. could suspend visa services entirely, ban specific visa categories like B1/B2 and F1, enforce full travel bans. If you're from one of these countries and plan to visit or apply for a visa, you could be impacted even if your case is in progress. Visa denials on the rise. Immigration attorneys report a spike in non-immigrant visa refusals, especially tourist, B1/B2, student, F1, and work visa applicants. Applicants with past overstays, even if they later left legally. Individuals flagged for immigrant intent. Social media activity that raises suspicion. Weak documentation of ties to home country. Most denials reference INA Section 214(b), and often no explanation is provided. To reduce your risk, have strong documentation, be clear about your purpose, and show firm ties abroad. Enforcement in sanctuary cities. Cities like New York, Los Angeles, Chicago, and Atlanta, known for their sanctuary policies, are now seeing more ICE activity than before. Street patrols in immigrant-heavy areas. Stops at subways, bus terminals, and local events. Door knocks in targeted neighborhoods. Remember, sanctuary policies limit local police cooperation, but ICE can still act independently. Know your rights. You don't have to open the door without a signed warrant. You can remain silent and ask for an attorney. Visa overstays and unlawful presence bars. Overstaying your visa can trigger serious penalties. 180-plus days equals 3-year bar. 365-plus days equals 10-year bar. This especially impacts B1/B2 visitors who overstayed, F1 students who dropped out, H1B, L1, or J1 workers whose visas expired. Some people may not even realize they've triggered these bars. If your status is unclear, consult a lawyer now. How to protect yourself. Immigration attorneys recommend these immediate steps. Carry proof of status, green card, visa, EAD, or a copy of your passport. Know your rights. Don't open doors without a warrant. Stay silent. Request a lawyer. Create a safety folder, copies of ID, medical records, G-28 form, U.S. citizen child's documents. Stay updated weekly. Subscribe to reliable immigration news sources like USA Alert Zone. Citizenship, your strongest shield. If you're eligible for naturalization, now is the time to apply. U.S. citizens. cannot be deported for most immigration-related issues. Get faster access at borders and ports of entry. Gain full voting rights and sponsor family more easily. While the process includes a civics and English test, the long-term protection is unmatched. Naturalization is not just a benefit, it's your legal armor. Final recap: what June 2025 means for you. ICE is actively removing 3,000 people per day. Visa bans may hit 36 countries soon. Green card holders face tighter border screening. Non-immigrant visa denials are up sharply. Sanctuary cities are seeing more field operations. Visa overstays are triggering 3 and 10-year bars. U.S. citizenship is your safest move forward. Thanks for watching USA Alert Zone. If you found this information valuable, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. We'll keep you ahead of every major immigration shift. Until next time, stay informed, stay protected, and stay prepared.